Hi, my name is Johan and today I go to talk about what am I doing. So, in this picture, I'm wearing a gray coat with white pants and shoes black. So, in this picture, I'm playing a guitar. I I play guitar since 3 years ago and no more. Next, with the next picture, uh, I I am watching my social webs on my cell phone, and I I do this in my bedroom. Next, in this picture, I cleaning the my hamster house because I have two hamsters. I should do that. Next, in this picture, I repairing a, a car with cardboard. This is a this is a project that I had or I have with the TV show called the A Team. Nets. In this picture, I am flying with my hamster. This is the the man. The name is Oreo. In this picture, I am watching a TV show or a movie. This movie is Son como niños dos. Next. In this picture, I am playing video games because I love playing video games. And in my free time, this I do. So in this picture, I reading a book. The book is Don Quixote de la Mancha, and this is a very, very, very nice book. And next, in this picture, I am doing the homework because in the university, the the teachers the teacher leave a lot of homework. So next, um, to finally in this picture I playing games, but not in console or video games. This is a computer. I and and this is all. These things I I did did that in my bedroom. And finally, tend to pay attention in this video.